Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search Amazon for it. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 181. And if we start with this box, we're only missing a 6. For this column now, we're missing a 2. For this box, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 9. I don't see any help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. For this column, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 6, 8. For this box, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got 3 and 6 here, so this is our 9. I don't see any other help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. But that 9 makes this our 3, 9. And now that 3 makes this our 6, 3. For this top row now, we're missing 4 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 9. 6 here, so 2, 9, and that means our 6 for that row has to be here. For this row, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got a 4 here. Oh, and an 8 there. So this is our 5. That 4 makes this our 8, 4. For this row, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got 2 and 7 here, so this is our 9. 7 here, so 2, 7. That 2 makes this our 9, 2. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 here, so this is our 1. 9 here, so 5, 9. For this row, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 5. 9 here, so this is our 7, 9. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this box, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. And this 4 makes this our 8, 4. For this box now, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 here, so this is our 8. 9 here, so 5, 9. And for this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got 1 and 2 here, so this is our 6. 1 here, so 2, 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.